For my next video, I'd like to do one on the company Tarkon, T-A-R-K-O-N-N, and their body cam. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing first, and then we'll get into the tech specs later. So let's go ahead and open this up. It's nice boxing. Here's the camera, we'll put that aside. Here's the instructions, very detailed. We'll go over the basics. That's what the is. Okay, here we have, it actually comes with a charging brick, which is pretty cool. USB-A to USB-C end. Most everything doesn't come with a charging brick anymore, so thank you to them. Then we have a larger size clip, mounting clip. We have a base. We have two batteries, which, by the way, don't take that piece of plastic off that I do, because that's how you pull the battery out of the camera. So yeah, don't do that. I did it and just glued it back on. So not too bright there, Roger. Thank you. But I fixed it, so it's not a problem. But yeah, don't take that off. So you can charge the battery and the unit at the same time, which is cool. We have a smaller size clip that's going to go on your shirt, your molly webbing, your whatever vest. Let's go into the camera, and we're going to go into great detailed specs on each button, how it all works. But you have one side is a display, an LCD display, very high quality display. Okay, so notice it says 128 GB in the sticker and GPS right there. I'm going to have an addendum to the end of this video that explains how to actually find the SD card. It's hidden underneath the sticker. So I was pretty glad and happy I found that for the company. So that'll be at the end of the video. Here's the extended clip, which is pretty neat because you can put it at different angles. So you can turn it, put it up, clip. That's kind of a, this would be more of the molly webbing, as it has the little hook, and it's going to hook through it so it doesn't come out upwards coming out. So here we have the USB-A port, and the bottom was where the batteries come in and out. And that is it for the unboxing. Let's get into some tech specs next. So on to the tech specs. So the brand is Tarkon, T-A-R-K-O-N-N. The photo sensory is CMOS, C-M-O-S. Video capture is 4K. The maximum aperture is 2.8 focal. Flash memory is built in. It is not SD. It says SD on the website. It's an error. Video capture format is MP4. It's 4K body camera with loop recording. The body-worn camera capture indicates details in every frame through incredible 4K, 2160p, and 48 megapixel photos. So really high size if you're just going to take a plain photo, providing a crystal clear amount of on-site events. The 4K body camera delivers clear and detailed footage with HD wide-angle lens, which is perfect for police body cameras, security guards, safer jails, retail systems, healthcare, etc. With the body-worn video, you can protect ourselves from workplace violence. And I can tell you right now, as an experienced person, I also, one of my other hats that I wear is concealed carry pistol instruction. I would not have I would not go anywhere without not having a camera, and this is going to replace my everyday camera, so I'm really excited about this. You just don't want to do it. You don't want to be around anything that could potentially be a hazard and not getting it on film. So, gotta have them. You have dual 1,950 milliamp batteries for the cam, so 2 of those. The police body cam with loop recording comes with 2-piece batteries and charging dock, total providing up to 12 hours of continuous 1080p recording with infrared and GPS. Full charge in 3 hours with C-port, so the body camera can ensure your uninterrupted recording throughout every shift. Besides the 128 gigabytes and H.265 compression, you can store weeks of footage and meet your long working time. It has pretty neat, this is pretty neat, forensic capabilities of the body camera. The police body cam has core evidence secure functions. Pre and post record captures critical moments before activation and secure escape evidence of post incident details. It also triggers recording when movement is detected. These are all settings, by the way, in the camera, so these things are almost all these that I'm mentioning can be turned on and off. Overwrites oldest unlocked file when storage is full. You have a watermark, so for example, the device ID, the officer's ID. You have timestamp, date, and GPS coordinates in every frame, creating an unremovable forensic fingerprint. It's core value of the body camera for law enforcement. So that's super important. You want to have that for whatever reason. If you have to go to court, you know where you were, when you were, everything. Everything is recorded. So onto the screen. Overlay. Auxiliary lights for the body cam. The body camera with IR lights can capture clear footage in darkness or low light condition within 10 meters, whether patrolling dark streets or monitoring remote locations. The body camera ensures no detail goes unnoticed. The strong manual white light illuminates evidence and details aggression. You are being recorded. Defeats too dark to see defense arguments. Body-worn cam with compact and sturdy design. The body cam features a durable yet compact design, IP68 waterproof, 2.5 meters drop proof, and 30 Celsius to 55 Celsius, minus 30, to 55 degrees Celsius survival. The body-worn video ensures reliable performance whether on duties or during intense outdoor activities. Voice prompts, example, recording started, keep you focused on mid-chaos. Its robust construction makes it ideal for police body camera needs. Let's see what else we have. We have 4K, GPS, H.265, motion detection, night vision. Already said that. The operating system, Windows XP. So you can use Windows on it. There is a code, a QR code where you can download the replay software, but it's not any software that really has to do with the camera itself. Everything is done on the menu and the display of the camera, with the exception of playing back, which has another neat feature. It's passworded. So if you have, for example, you have somebody that recorded something, they don't want anybody to see it, there's no way of going into that camera and deleting it without a password. So you have to set, you don't have to, but you can set a password for the accessibility of your files, which I think is really neat. That sets everything to be pretty darn secure, that nobody's going to do anything that you don't want somebody to do with that camera. So item dimensions is 1.31 by 2.41 by 3.45 height. As I said, 2 batteries. Okay, so this is an addendum to the video. If you noticed, there is no SD slot. Okay, here's where they said it was. They showed a picture of the SD card on the main picture, but it also said built in, so I'm assuming it was built in and it was an error. However, contacting the owner, you take the sticker off, and voila, here is the SD card right here. So they put a sticker over the crazy thing, accidentally, I'm imagining. So if you want access to your SD card, it comes out in and out like any SD card. You push and it clicks, but you have to take this off because it's covering it up. Okay, so that is our video on the Tarkon body camera with audio and video recording. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.